Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering a new CR2032 battery, a small flat coin or thin flathead, and a clean towel or tray to catch parts. Confirm the replacement battery type is CR2032 before proceeding to avoid damage. Remove any heavy rings or keys from the key fob and set the fob on the towel. Use a small flat coin or key to twist the seam open without forcing the plastic. Work on a clean surface to keep tiny springs and the circuit capped and visible. With the fob opened, observe how the battery sits and note the battery polarity. The positive side faces up in most Cadillac CTS fobs. Use a plastic pry tool or fingertip to gently lift the old battery out. Gently lift the old battery with a plastic pry tool or fingernail to avoid shorting. Inspect the metal contact clip and spring for corrosion and clean lightly if needed. Place the new CR2032 into the tray. Seat the new CR2032 with the metal clip making full contact and no movement, and ensure the battery sits flat. Align the two halves of the key fob and press evenly around the seam until you hear a firm click. Snap the two fob halves together until you hear a firm click at the seam. Reinstall any emergency key and return the fob to your pocket. Test lock, unlock, and remote start from several feet away and verify the range is the same as before replacement. Test lock, unlock, and remote start. Range should be the same as before replacement. If the fob does not work, check battery orientation and clip contact before replacing the battery or seeking dealer assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.